Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to do copy work. In the copy work, first you will do lesson I want's word meaning. So you will write lesson I want, write meaning. What are the words which meaning you will write? You will write the meaning of strong. Strong means powerful. Strong means powerful. Wand, magic wand, na? Wand. It is a thin stick used to do magic. Thin stick used to do magic. Wishes means to want something. I told you desire, to get something, to want something. This is wish. Blows means to send out air or water through lips. To send out air or water through lips. Trunk is an elephant's long nose. Trunk is an elephant's long nose. Monster means a large creature. It is not coming here, so I have written in the next copy. Next page. You will also write in the next page if it is not coming here completely. Monster means a large creature. You have to write this side, okay, right side. A large creature that is ugly or scary. A large creature that is ugly or scary. कोई डरावना सा creature. Okay, children? So you have to write all these 6 words and their meaning in the copy and learn also while writing. Okay? Next work is question answers. Write answers of the following questions. What does little monkey want to be? What does little monkey want to be? Little monkey wants to be big and strong. Little monkey wants to be big and strong. Who hears him? An old woman hears him. Who hears him? An old woman hears him. How does an elephant have a bath? An elephant takes bath by filling his trunk with water and then blowing it all over himself. And then blowing it all over himself. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? Yes, the zebra has stripes. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? The zebra has stripes, not spots. Why does little monkey want to be himself? In the end, little monkey wants to be himself because he was looking like a monster and now he does not want to look like anyone else. Little monkey wants to be himself because he was looking like a monster and now he does not want to look like anyone else. Okay, children, write these 5 question answers. We will meet in the next class. Bye bye.